Our party, when we launched our new logo, we said we want to rescue Nigeria. Our candidate is a unifier. He will unify Nigeria. We want to restructure Nigeria. I've listened to our candidates both publicly and privately, and I've had interaction also with him. He muted the idea of even government of national unity. Privately, I hope you don't mind, Baba, privately you said to me that in 1999, you were not able, well, you won the election at the national level, but you wanted others to come in, and you moved towards almost a government of national unity. You invited individuals from other political parties to join the national government. So our party is talking about unifying this country. We're talking towards government of national unity, because 8 years of APC have left us badly divided. Well, the issue is we must practice what we preach. If we want to unify Nigeria, we must unify PDP first.
Therefore, what Governor Sheyi is calling for is achievable under our constitution, under our conventions, under our rules, under our regulations, and under our procedures. So those institutions must guide to whatever changes we make. That's why we cannot do anything outside the Constitution unless it is amended. We cannot do anything under laws unless those laws are amended to reflect what we want them to be. So, distinguished leaders, stakeholders of our party, of course, we don't say people should not have different views, but all views must go through our constitution, our rules, our regulations, and our practices.